right, welcome everyone. So we got our latest install here. We use one of our split backpack units on this particular truck. It's a 2024 Volvo, I believe. So we went with the lightning bolt battery bank here in the additional starting box, or battery box. Kind of show you what we got going on here. So this is a 400 amp hour system. We got four 100 amp hour lightning bolt lithium batteries, 60 amp DC to DC charger installed right here in the box. So everything is contained right here. Yeah, so a lot like some of our other installs. Like I said, in this one we did put the DC to DC charger in the battery bank box here. So pretty quiet, as have you seen with the other units like this that we installed? A real quiet unit. So it is a little bit warmer here today in Northeast Ohio. It's like probably 75 degrees roughly. So I do have it run at full capacity. Kind of see what kind of amperage we're pulling here. So this is the load line. So we're about 32 amps right there. So with this particular battery bank, these are run down to 10%. So you're looking at 360. So the way it's running right now, you'll get just a hair over 10 hours of run time. So not too bad on a mildly warm day. So, and this is a under the bunk unit. So we'll take you around and show you where we put it at and some of the customization that we did do on this install. Okay, so here's the inside unit, evaporator coil, fan, blower, your tubes for your HVAC. We did do a custom install with this particular unit where we hooked it up to the existing factory HVAC, and there's pretty good airflow going up through the ducting. And then we ran the other one. There wasn't enough room to hook up both of these into the factory ducting, so we put one out underneath the table inside, which was pretty well the only place to go with it. So not too big of a footprint here, still a little bit of room if you had something to go in here, but have to be a little careful with your tubing here. So with that, we'll go inside and see what we got in there. So as you can see here, here's our little duct coming out from underneath the table or the bunk when it's being used as a bunk. We just had to pull up the back panel back there, and it was pretty simple to get behind and make everything hidden behind the upholstery here. And again, like I said, we ran one of the other tubes into the factory HVAC system back here. So pretty decent airflow coming out. I just stuck the thermometer back in. We were just above 40 degrees Fahrenheit there a little bit ago. So. And we mounted so again, a little bit more customization on this job. We mounted the panel up over here by the rest of the factory panels, which was kind of a challenge trying to get I had to extend the harness, the original harness, and run all that up through that plenum back there, and that cable run, and then, like I said, it wasn't very fun. So, but that's pretty much it. I think it came out pretty good. It's getting pretty chilly in here, so it's definitely putting out. But yeah, so that's pretty much all we got in here. Okay, so as far as pricing and options on this particular system here, so what you see here with this inside under the bunk unit, this battery box, DC to DC converter, and the lightning bolt batteries, the entry price on this is $8,500. So now that is basically where we're just doing the easiest install inside. We're not hooking up to HVAC, and we're putting the panel under wherever it's easiest and quickest. So any type of customization where we are hooking into the HVAC system or placing a panel in a preferred place that's, we have to add wiring harness and things of that nature, we basically go on the clock, so it's time and material for that type of stuff. So like I said, $8,500 for what you see here, excluding the custom work we did inside the sleeper there. We can offer this also with our lithium starting batteries, to where you don't have to have the battery box and the DC to DC converter, so you don't have to have this box here. We can take out your existing lead acid batteries or old heavy AGMs. We can take those out and replace them with our nice light lithium starting batteries. And entry level on that is $7,000. Again, any customizations there be time and material after that at that point. So there's a lot of other things we can do as well. I mean, we can add 6 batteries or up to 8 batteries. I mean, either type of batteries, but you get into a little bit more customization on those types of things. So Stay tuned to the website. We'll have more updates and have more pricing on this other line, on the backpack line. And then if you got any questions, give us a call. So that's pretty much all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for the updates. And of course, always like the video. So we'll see you next time.